lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Such a sexy, pretty little thing. This little bitch, you got me sprung with your tongue ring. And I ain't gonna lie, cause your loving gets me high. So to keep you by my side, there's nothing that I won't try. Butterflies in her eyes and her looks to kill. Time is passing, I'm asking, could this be real? Cause I can't sleep, I can't hold still. The only thing I really know is she got sex appeal. I can feel, too much is never enough. You always there to lift me up when these times get rough. I was lost, now I'm found, ever since you've been around. You're the woman that I want, so I'm putting it down. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. I don't deserve you, and that's it. Some kind of hidden message to show me life is precious, and I guess it's true. But to tell the truth, I really never knew till I met you. See, I was lost and confused, twisted and used. I knew a better life existed, but thought that I missed my lifestyle. Wow, I was living like a wild child, trapped on a short leash, parole to police files. So yo, what's happening now? I see the sun breaking down into dark clouds, and a vision of you standing out in the crowd. So come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Hey sugar mama, come and dance with me. The smartest thing you ever did was take a chance with me. Whatever tickles your fancy, girls, me and you like Sid and Nancy. So sexy, almost evil, talking about butterflies in my head. I used to think that happy endings were only in the books I read, but you made me feel alive when I was almost dead. You filled that empty space with the love I used to chase, and as far as I can see, it don't get better than this. So butterfly, here is a song, and it's sealed with a kiss and a thank you, miss. Come and dance with me, come and dance with me, come and dance with me. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Sobrang relax, wala akong baby mama. Buhay ko aksyon at comedy, sa'yo drama. Mabigat ang dala mong bag, sa'kin light. Makulay aking sine, minsan black and white. Kanta ko ay kinikilo, sa inyo tibag. Sa drug test bagsak pero pasado sa sipag. Kalmado ako dito, wag mo sanang mabangga. Nakikinig ng music, kumakain ng mangga. Kotseng luma, sobrang baba. Yan ay kay, bugoy na kuy-kuy, ang kanyang limit ay sky. Normal na ang pakiramdam ng katawan, nawawala ang tama, roll another one.
I don't know too much about it, Sergeant, but I got a hunch. I don't think I made a mistake.
Yeah.
What do you think?
No, sir, no mistake. It's marijuana.
Unang hits ko pa lang, agad-agad tumama. Bitch nagparamdam, gusto daw niya sumama. Buhay niyang walang lasa, lalagyan ng lime. Kaya naiintindihan niya ba't wala akong time. Dumidiskarte sa kalsada while you sleepin. Tago ang mga ipon, baka kasi silipin. Kaya ang spotlight, wag mo sa'kin itapat. Kung libo-libo lang, para sa'kin di sapat. Ang pag-angat ng pesos, tall, grande, venti. Parehong sistema ng pagtutulak ng candy. We don't sleep, siesta lang pero mahimbing. Buhay kong kalawang hanggat maging bling. May nakita kang pulbo sa mukha ko kanina. Kumain lang ng espasol, hindi yon kokaina. Ayaw pang maging tatay, ikot pa sa planet. Laid back, chillin' sa mga sitwasyong pangit. Sulit araw ko, tatapusin ko ng prayer. Kumakaway, kumakamay kanina parang mayor. Kumakalma lahat pag dumadating si Boogie. Merong pinapapak tapos mata ay kulay ruby. Shooting lang sa court o kaya naman hangin. Out sa rooftop, masarap ang hangin. Buhay ko na up and down, na parang siso. Kung manghihingi ka lang ako ay walang piso. Siesta lang, tapos balik sa drug dealing. Kami ay mga pimp, meron kaming tagagiling. At least ganun ang feeling dito sa aming music. Kaya mo rin to pero depende how you use it. Two joints sa enterprise, meeting parang mafia. Nobya ng hater, hawak ko ang labia. Pati ang labi niya at eto ang sabi niya, I love ya. Pag ako kasama ang happy niya. Bago ka matulog, kumalma at lumutang. Kumalma at lumutang. Kumalma at lumutang. Bago ka matulog, kumalma at lumutang. Kumalma at lumutang. Kumalma at lumutang. Nagsisend sila litrato ng kanilang boobies. Kalmado na naglalakad, akala mo ay Buddhist. Ako at aking mango shake, samahan mo ng Mary Jane. Pag nakuha ang pera, ginto ang aking everything. Para saan yan ticket mo sa ating pang aeroplano? Kung gusto mo mag-hate, edi sige eto plano. Di ka mapapansin, mag-hustle lang ako. Iba't ibang bitch, parang aso lang ako. Magsisipag ng todo, bibili kasi ng bahay. Bibilhan ng old school na kotse aking tatay. Lakan ng magagawa kung ang ahas ay ikaw. Masisilaw ka kasi alahas ay dilaw. Hanggat ang aking crew may mga hawak na passport. Samsonite dala at hindi na naka-jansport. Masakit sa inggit, ramdam mo kotong nun. Bugi man dadaan sa inyo, tignan mo oto nun. Bago ka matulog, kumalma at lumutang. Kumalma at lumutang. Kumalma at lumutang.